for installing the Bronc bushing. Right here, this will go inside the driver's side of the tie rod. So these are all our stuff right here. Let me zoom out. These are all our tools that we're going to use. All right, lifting it up. This is how it looks like with the tires removed, and just inspecting the wheel spacer. So far, so good. All good. We put like thousands of miles already on this.
Removing this part.
Remove this part.
Yeah.
All right. Do we remove this part first, or
no? We can just remove this, so it's easier for us to remove that.
Okay.
Right. So we're just using
22
millimeter and
21.
21.
Left is loosey. So I was going the wrong way the whole time.
There you go.
Left is loosey. So we're gonna hammer this thing in.
Yeah.
All right, it's her turn. After 20 hits with this, it finally popped.
Yeah.
So we can go to the next part.
Yeah, this is just the hard part because this thing is creating a suction or like a seal.
Yeah.
Here.
We are going to remove the BRONCBUSTER brace.
So we are just removing the BRONCBUSTER brace.
It's been a while.
Yeah. We just use
all right, off to the next. Now this clamp right here, right?
Yes. We just need to move this away. No, I don't want to break it too. There.
Oh, there you go. It's moving.
There.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
There. Broke.
There. She broke it. All right.
There.
We are using the jack for security purpose. All right, so it's more out now.
Yeah, it's more out now. And then we just need to
Pull it.
twist this
Sorry.
boot.
Twist the
and
boot.
pull.
Twist and pull.
There you go.
Yeah, because I went. You were going left. I went right.
Okay.
We are now going to use this for this.
Yeah, that part.
That part.
It's hard.
All right, I'll do it.
So we are still in the same section. We can, for some reason, we cannot loosen that.
It took us 30 minutes just for that.
Yeah, so what we did
I used all my strength. She used all her strength.
Yeah.
And then I used all my strength again. And then finally we used this and that. Okay, so this is how we did it. Ready?
Yeah.
And then, well, I'm holding the phone. So with my two hands, right now it's one hand, I went like that. And then, damn, that thing was hard. So we are now turning it. So there it is. All right, and then now we have to put it back to passenger side. So we are now putting it back to the passenger side, or turning it to the passenger side. We now have a pick.
Yeah.
Because we are now going to break the seal right there.
Right there, the black one.
The black seal. So that is the seal that we are going to break. Got a piece
Yeah, it's
of the rubber.
yeah.
Oh, there you go.
I think we still need to
Still need to break
break
it.
a little bit.
Yeah, we actually took turns. So we got some pliers and she's removing it.
Yep. Just need to
Oh, there you go. Woo.
There you go.
There you go. All right, so let's make sure we clean it off. We are now going to apply this, and we just finished cleaning that part right there. Got also this tool that comes with it, and we are going to push it in with this or hammer it in. But we're gonna grease it up, right? Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. So also show how it needs to go.
Okay.
So you see there's like an opening right there. So this part of this tool needs to go flush in there. Yeah.
All right. Cool.
What we
Oh
need-
yeah, because look the way how it's shaped. Yeah.
Hammer it.
Hammer it
Okay.
with this, and it's gonna go like that. All right, there you go.
Looks flushed.
Yeah, looks
Already.
super flushed.
Yeah. So we are now going to put the
Ring.
ring. And then you just need to put there, and then you use that to the blue one.
Ah, that thing's all the way in now.
Let me zoom it in. There, the snap ring is there. The white thing is there too.
Everything's in. Now turning the steering to the driver's side. Here's our tie rod, and we are now going to screw it back on to there.
So we're now,
Going to the right side.
yeah, tightening that
Tightening.
part.
Oh.
So basically we're just following the steps that we did earlier backwards.
Yep. You're now going to
To grease up.
grease up the, what's that, the steering rack?
Yeah.
The steering rack.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. So our next step is the clamp.
Yeah, this is.
We are going to clamp the boots.
Yep.
We are now tightening the clamp
Yeah, just a little bit.
just a little bit. After tightening it a little bit, we have to make sure that the clamp is facing
Yeah, that this one,
that
this
part?
part of the clamp where you screw to tighten it, it's facing downwards.
facing downwards.
So it's easier for you to tighten it all the way
Down
down
there.
there.
We are now pushing the boots
Yep.
back to where we found it, and we are putting it all the way in.
Yep.
And then we have to snap it back on, right?
Yeah.
Nice and tight.
All right.
Next part is this.
Yep. We need to put it back.
All the way back. So we are now clamping it now. Perfect.
Let's see.
Yep.
Oh, yep. It's all in.
Cool. Now, our next goal is to put the
put the
BRONCBUSTER brace.
For us to make sure that we're putting it the right way. Since it's like we don't know where to go, right? So we just need to put this for now here.
Right.
So we know that, oh, okay, it's gonna go this way.
It goes like that. Cool. Short screws are for the short side and the long screws are for the long side.
The brace is now secured
nice and tight. And now we're gonna put, it's gotta...
Yeah, you just need
there. That's it.
Yeah, because it's turned...
yeah.
Yeah. Now, unless you want me to straighten the...
Yeah, maybe, let's straighten it out.
Yeah.
I'll straighten it out.
Okay. Then we're putting on the bolt. Switching to our power tool.
We were wondering why the bolt is not getting loose. I mean, getting tight. Because what happened is the screw
is moving with the bolt.
Yeah, so the screw is moving with the bolt. So we would have to hold it down like this
and then we twist this part.
So now it is fully tight. Now all we have to do now is put the tire back on.
We are test driving.
Yup.
So how's...
So far so good. I made a few lefts, I made a few rights, going straights. It's all good. It's perfect. As if like nothing changed.
And the steering is still...
The steering is still perfect. Finished driving here to the park, and we're just checking to see how everything is. So far, so good on that. So far, so good on that.
It's the day after we installed the bronc bushing, so we're heading to another event. Yeah. So this is going to be a good test drive.
We already put 100 miles already on our new tie rod, BRONCBUSTER bushing tie rod setup. So it's great.
Yeah.
When I make a left, when I make a right, it's all good.
Cool.
And we enjoy this beautiful scenery. Just here in an event, and we're just eating the Sierra Madre tacos. Man, it smells so good.
Yeah.
All right, let's do this.